What's up guys, Nick from Mad Hatter here. I got some Diode Dynamic LED turn signals. As you can see, you get hyper flash, so here's what you guys got to do in order to get rid of that. So I already did it to this side. Diode Dynamics sells their little resistance piece. I got some weather pack connectors, so if I ever want to go back to stock, I just unplug it and it's done. I mounted it right there. You want to make sure you mount it to steel or metal, because it does get hot. Spliced in the two wires in the cabin, so I don't have to worry about moisture or water getting in. For me, it was the gray with purple wire, and the gray with orange was the signal power, turn signal power, and the ground. But this is what it looks like when it's done and in there. There you have it. Pretty simple install. Probably take a couple hours once you get everything said and done. Subwoofer box I'm not looking forward to taking out, but it is what it is. Alright, stay classy.